This will not only save you from the clutter of having another device, but also bring great convenience to your life, allowing all family members to easily access your garage. Keep in mind that garages are one of the most accessed rooms of your home. Instead of paying $30 to $40 per garage door remote, you can have as many garage door openers as the smartphones in your household at no additional expense once you own Open Sesame. Open Sesame is very easy to set up and fun to use. Let's have a closer look. Security first, and Open Sesame is exactly that. No one else can pair your smartphone without the QR security code and a setup password. In other words, just saying Open Sesame is not enough to open the garage.
Open Sesame!
Your Open Sesame comes in a box ready for setup. All you need to do is follow 3 easy steps and you're done. Download the app from iTunes App Store or Google Play to your smartphone. Go to your Settings tab. Hold Open Sesame next to your mobile phone. Scan the QR security code and enter the password. The QR code and password specific to your Open Sesame device can be found in the instructions. Connect Open Sesame to your garage door's control box by tying its wires to the matching colored wires on the control box. Open Sesame can function up to 100 feet. With its long battery life, once it's set up, it will be a seamless part of your daily life.